Hey viewers, what's up? This is Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. In this video, I'm going to talking with about the latest tricks of that airplane mode in your Android mobile phone. And here is guys, it's really awesome for you, and by that thing you can do some special trick in your mobile phone. And here is guys, it will be awesome for you. So what that trick, to know about that you need to watch this video till to the end. I'm Sajidz and you guys watching Sajidz Take. Before just starting that video, I request you, if you're not still now the subscriber of my channel, then please subscribe. And if you do so still now, so thanks a lot. Start that video with you guys. Okay guys, the trick is here how you can use your mobile data connection even though you are in an airplane mode. Suppose that here you want to make your mobile phone in airplane mode, but you still now want to use your mobile data connection. That time it will be really working for you. So what you have to do in this video, I'm going to talking with you about. So first of all, before just enable this airplane mode, you need to on this mobile data connection, and after that here you need to enable this airplane mode here in your mobile phone. So here is guys, you can see that everything is done from me. Now go to the dial pad option from here, and here you need to tap a code from here. So that code is the star hash 4636 hash star hash star. And here is guys, after just making those things, here we are there in that option. So from here now click on the phone information, and from here just go to the run ping test from here and just click this button for 1 or 2 times. And now go to the down to the below, and here you will get an option called the turn on radio. So from here you need to just tap on that, and it will be turned into the turn off radio button. And here is guys, after that it will be work in your mobile phone. And here from after just on this turn on radio button into the turn off radio button, that time here you can still now use internet connection in your mobile phone even though you are in a airplane mode. And now here you can now go to in your everywhere browser to browse your thing there. So here is guys, this is the thing that I want to show you in this video. So now it's your turn guys to implement this in your mobile phone. If you can implement it successfully in your mobile phone, then I request you please give a like that video, comment me below on this video, share this video with your friend guys. So no more today, we will make in the next video. So till the end, take care, have a nice day.